Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 4.9% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The head of the International Monetary Fund said the outlook for the global economy had darkened significantly since April, and she could not rule out a possible global recession next year given the elevated risks. Embattled crypto lender Voyager Digital filed for bankruptcy this week and became the latest casualty of a bear market that will continue to leave a path of destruction in the digital currency sector. A pullback in the dollar offered the euro some respite, allowing it to edge away from two-decade lows reached this week after surging energy prices fanned recession fears.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US average hourly earnings will be released at 12:30 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT, the Austrian trade balance at 0700 hours GMT, Japan's EcoWatchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.